guys, my name's Rachel and welcome to my hospitality technology website. Today I would like to talk to you about one of the up and coming um, things technology wise in the hospitality industry, and that is the use of AIs and robots in specifically hotels and resorts. So, the first one I'm going to talk about is a robot by the name of Connie. She was invented for Hilton hotels and she is really, really smart. Well, not really smart. She uses a cloud-based technology for other people to input information into her, and she uses information from talking guests and people to grow and expand her knowledge. She learns and adapts with the conversations that she has with people, and Hilton is working on perfecting her and getting her out into other hotels um, around the world, other Hilton hotels, of course. She answers all sorts of questions, and I think she's going to be big. But moving on to the next. This robot looks a lot like Connie, but it's not. This one's name is Mario, and he was debuted at the ITB world. It's the world's largest tourist convention. It's in Berlin. And he can do all sorts of things. He can sing, he can dance, he can pass out room keys. A lot of the lower level things that they're going to want robots to start doing, things like room service. I don't think that robots are ever necessarily going to replace humans in the hospitality industry just because I think people prefer a one-on-one conversation with an actual human, someone who has facial expressions, things like that, that can make you really connect with a guest and improve their experience. I think a lot of people are turned off by the idea of having robots and no like personal interaction or connection with who they're talking to. But I think that robots are making a great step forward in the hospitality technology, the whole scene of that. For people who maybe don't want to talk to something that looks like a robot, another one is this is Shahira. She was debuted in the same place, actually, the ITB convention, and she knows dozens of languages. She can pass out room keys, answer questions, a lot of the things like the first one Connie can do. But she's just something that you can approach and ask for some help if front desk is busy. There's also all sorts of other technology that is very similar to these three robots that is not necessarily more or less personable, but for instance, you can check into a room using facial recognition. Um, Room keys can be on your phone. There's a lot of things in technology that are becoming one with the whole hospitality industry, checking in, checking out, getting in your room. These robots can hand out your room key, but maybe that's less important if, for instance, you would rather just have a room key on your phone anyways. I think that these robots are going to make a great impact on the hospitality industry, and I'm excited to see where it goes within the next couple years as Hilton and other people who create AIs and robots and such um, get this more out on the market. There's a lot of stuff like this, like there's an all robot hotel, but they're all in other countries like Japan and stuff like that. Um, I'm not sure if Americans would necessarily adapt to it quite as well as, for instance, Japan has. And I don't believe that robots will ever necessarily replace humans or take over the hospitality industry 100%. But I do think it is a good option as a backup to have. It's a cool invention that we're working on, and I'm definitely excited to see where these take us in the hospitality industry in the next few years. So stay updated, and I'll be posting videos as well that go along with these robots and explain more things. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and taking the time to look at my website. Bye.